This enables the carrier to decide the best course of action and swiftly determine whether the target poses a threat. In contested locations where attacks could strike from any angle at any time, the DBR gives the carrier's air defenses a significant tactical edge. One of the state-of-the-art systems on board the Ford-class carriers is the DBR. These carriers are the most technologically advanced warships ever constructed thanks to their electromagnetic aircraft launch system, cutting-edge resting gear, and integrated warfare systems. The DBR will make sure that the Ford carrier strike groups can function in dangerous environments and defend allies all around the world. The equipment they need to establish air superiority and project power wherever it is required will be available to our sailors and airmen. The time has come for our adversaries to pay attention to the features of the Ford-class aircraft carriers. Improved flight deck fueling stations enable quicker turnaround times, allowing planes to take off in record time. The updated aircraft fueling systems on the new aircraft carriers can now manage the high demands of modern fighter jets and aircraft. Instead of the hours it used to take, the Ford-class carriers can refuel and rearm aircraft in a matter of minutes. Talk about altering the game. Aircraft can now taxi directly to the refueling and rearming facilities after landing. Restock the aircraft's weapons systems, refuel them quickly, and make them ready to take off again quickly. More sorties can be flown each day because of the reduced downtime caused by the simplified process. The uses for aircraft carriers of the Ford class are numerous and substantial. These cutting-edge battleships have the power to revolutionize American military strategy. Around the world, the Navy conducts operations and exercises power. The Ford-class carriers, with their enormous size and cutting-edge technology, can act as a mobile command center for carrying out a variety of operations. They can control up to 75 aircraft, including cutting-edge stealth. Air superiority and assistance for ground forces in battles are made possible by fighters like the F-35C, ensuring that the presence of the American military is acknowledged and recognized. Additionally, the Ford-class carriers can significantly contribute to international humanitarian due to their efforts and capacity for large-scale disaster relief activities. They are able to quickly react to natural disasters and offer assistance and support to impacted areas. They can deliver essential supplies, equipment, and medical personnel to places in need thanks to their spacious decks. Making a substantial contribution to saving lives and redeveloping towns. Another important feature of the possible use of the Ford-class carriers is their capacity to undertake ISR missions with cutting-edge radar equipment. These carriers are able to identify and follow possible threats from great distances, delivering essential data for tactical choice-making. This country's ability to acquire intelligence improves national security. To remain ahead of new dangers, the Navy. The Ford-class carriers can also act as a symbol of power and intimidation. Potential enemies are clearly informed by the size and technological advancements of these warships that the United States is a force to be reckoned with.